Hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Matt back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your key fob battery in a 2014 Honda Civic Si. I wouldn't doubt it's probably the same way as in all the 9th gens. I could be totally wrong, so I don't know what their key fob looks like, but as you can see, this is what mine looks like. I already got the regular key out, because this is for the push to starts. This isn't for the, I don't know about, like I said, I don't know about the regular ones where you put the key in and whatnot. I have no clue. Because, you got the whole key fob like this, and then you just take out your vanity key to, or, your, whatever you want to call it, the regular key to unlock the door. Because you need the key fob to actually start it up. But, or do the keyless entry, whatever. So, as you can see, this is what the key fob looks like. You just, click this little thing over, and then, you can take out the key. Well, how are you going to take it out? You're going to pry it open. All I did was, I already got it open right now. But all you're going to do is pull it open like that. And when you do that, it'll pop open. I mean, it takes a little bit of force. I mean, I just popped it open for a quick little demonstration. But just pop it open, and then here's the battery. The battery number, I'll leave it in the link in the description. I'll leave a link in the description for this key fob too. The part number, so you can go find it if you ever needed to replace it. It is so the battery number is CR2032, and all you would need to do is put that in and go over there. It's, write it down on a piece of paper, go to the store and find it. You can find it in a little battery section. That's where I found a new one, because my battery was dying in my key fob. And then all you gotta do is just take it out, boom, replace it. There you go. And you want to put the energizer part, so this part you want to leave it up, so that's the positive part, and then you want to have the regular just silver part down into the key fob part. And then also, I got another thing. If you ever wanted to replace your key fob, just say you didn't want to go to the dealership and you actually wanted to replace this whole thing, you would, if you went to the dealership, you'd be paying well over $100. A couple of hundred probably. I'm not 100% sure. But if you wanted to replace this whole thing because it damaged, you wanted to get something new, whatever, all you would have to do, because the only part that you need is this part. You just plop it out. And once you do that, you'll want to keep this. This little part you want to keep. The reason why is because this is where your your microchip is, the one that helps let the car know, hey, like, you can start it, so you want this part, and then all you would have to do is just replace it into the next one, and there you go. And I mean, it's not hard to put it back in. It's literally like this. Just make sure the buttons are fine, and then you're good to go. But once you do that, then all you gotta do is just this. Once you put it all in, then once you got it all in, so once you do that, you take these two parts, you put it together like this, boom, and then there you go. You got your key fob. And then that's it, But yeah, that's all I really got for you in this video. I mean, I thought I'd make this short little video for you, show you how to replace your key fob and your key fob battery in your 2014 Honda Civic Si. Because, I mean, why not, I mean, they're going to die. And then most likely, if you go to the, to the dealership, you're going to have to be paying a little bit more money to get it changed. And it's a whole lot easier just to go to the store, spend $6 on 2 batteries, and there you go. But if you guys have anything, leave them in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys a little later. Peace.